Beef brisket and beer recipe. Beef is a great, hearty food that is the base of many a lunch or dinner. It comes in a variety of forms due to the breed and area of the bovine from which it is taken. Beef comes in many forms, including beef brisket, rump roast, filet mignon, T-bone steaks, and much more. One of the best things about beef is that it can be prepared all day in a crock pot for an easy supper. A great recipe for this is beef brisket and beer, is as follows. Ingredients: 1 3 to 4 pound fresh beef brisket, 2 onions thinly sliced and separated into rings, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup beer, 1/4 cup chili sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons water, 1/2 teaspoon dry thyme, crushed, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 clove garlic, minced. Instructions: trim fat from the brisket. If necessary, cut the brisket to fit into the crock pot. Place onions, bay leaf, and brisket. In a separate bowl, combine beer, chili sauce, sugar, thyme, salt, pepper and garlic. Pour over the brisket once mixed. Cover, and cook on low heat for 10 to 12 hours or on high heat for 5 to 6 hours. Transfer brisket and onions to a platter and keep warm. Discard the bay leaf. For gravy, skim fat from cooking juices. Measure 2 1/2 cups juices and place in a saucepan. Combine cornstarch and water and add to the saucepan. Cook and stir until thick and bubbly, then cook and stir for 2 minutes more. Serve the gravy with the meat, and enjoy. Since this serves 10 people, there will be plenty of leftovers to take for lunch or if you simply don't want to cook after a long day of work and or errands.